Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make default browser as a Chrome. So let's start. Open your Chrome browser and after that go to the right hand side and click on the three dot, and here just click on the settings option. The second last option is the settings. Just click on here and here you see the all settings option showing. The left hand side you have a one option default browser. Just click on it and here the default browser, make Google Chrome the default browser. Click on the make default and here you can see the settings is open, and here in default app you just drag. Here the web browser is Microsoft Edge is default. Okay, just click on this and now I select the Google Chrome. Okay, and that's it. You can see now web browser is default Google Chrome set here. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.